What you are about to see is body cam footage from a shocking incident that took place in St. Charles, Illinois. A man armed with a chainsaw entered a nursing facility, endangering the lives of elderly residents and law enforcement officers. Viewer discretion is advised.
Hi,
This is Illinois State Police. How may I help you, sir?
I saw Escalera enter the facility with a chainsaw.
It all began when a 911 caller reported a man, later identified as Escalera, entering the facility wielding a chainsaw. Officers were immediately dispatched to the scene.
Hello?
Hi, he went in that front door there.
This one right here?
Yeah, with a chainsaw.
Okay.
Running chainsaw. He tried to cut that tree.
He went into that door right there?
Yeah, that front entrance door.
This one with the pillars?
Yes.
The white pillars?
Yes.
Okay. Can you do me a favor and just hang out here for a second? Okay.
1358.
Hello.
Want me to send the log out to someone else?
Just hold it for now.
Hold on.
How long ago did he go in there? Okay. Okay. Hey! Hey, what's going on with this guy?
I don't know. He came in here.
Hey, can you hold this door open?
Yes,
More police
please.
are coming.
1393.
Go ahead.
There's no answer at the call to business.
Hold that door open. Hold that door open. 10-4.
He went that way.
Unit's incoming. Can you step it up?
Inconvenience.
Hey!
Upon arrival, officers encountered Escalera inside the cafeteria. He was ordered to drop the weapon, but instead of complying, he did something terrifying.
Drop the taser. Drop the taser. Or drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. On the ground. On the ground. On the ground.
When you're upstairs, someone be one for St. Charles.
Get back! Get back! Get back! Get back! Hey, drop. Hey. Hey. Step it up. Hey, drop the chainsaw. Drop the chainsaw. One at taser point.
Oh my God.
Hey, drop it! Drop it! Drop it! Drop it!
1393. Can you 10-9?
I got one at taser point. Step it up. We'll be in the front lobby. Drop it! Drop it! Drop it!
Subject in the front lobby.
Step it up.
I'm leaving here without my lady. Where is she?
Step it up!
Escalera started the chainsaw and moved toward the residence, forcing officers to act quickly. In an attempt to subdue him without lethal force, an officer deployed a taser.
Where's my...
Drop it!
I just want my wife, man. I just want... I don't want to...
Taser! Hey! Hey! Hey, right here! He's right here! He's right here!
The taser briefly incapacitated Escalera, but he quickly regained his footing, retrieved the chainsaw, and charged at the officers. The situation was escalating rapidly.
Come here. He's on the other side. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
One officer fired 2 shots, but both missed. Escalera then swung the chainsaw at one of the officers, physically striking him. At this point, police had no choice but to respond with lethal force.
Shots fired!
After being shot in the forearm, Escalera fled down a hallway, stopping near an elderly resident in a wheelchair. Then, according to officers, he made a gesture mimicking a firearm. In response, an officer fired a fatal shot to his chest.
Shots fired!
Attention all Irish units. River Glen of St. Charles.
Drop it! Get him over, get him over.
St. Charles. Attention all
Get him over.
Special attention St. Charles units. Shotgun dispatching of shots fired at 975 Northwest Avenue, River Glen of St. Charles. Responding as phenomenal EPA.
Come on. Watch out, move your... Hey, get out of here. Come on, buddy. Come here, come here, come here, come here. Gotcha. Roll medics.
Escalera was transported to Northwestern Medicine Del Nor Hospital, where he was later pronounced dead. A subsequent autopsy revealed that he had methamphetamine and olanzapine, an antipsychotic medication, in his system at the time of the incident. Following an investigation, Kane County State's Attorney Mosser defended the officers' actions, stating that they acted within department policy and Illinois law. St. Charles Acting Chief of Police Eric Majewski also commended the officers, emphasizing their efforts to de-escalate the situation while ensuring the safety of residents. This tragic incident underscores the dangers law enforcement officers face daily. While every loss of life is regrettable, the swift response by officers likely prevented further casualties. What are your thoughts on this case? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this report informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.